board at 9:44. All right, so today is Wednesday. It's already hump day. We're going to go over the warm up. We are going to finish the coloring activity. While we go to the restroom, I need you to finish that. Those of you that are staying behind, finish the coloring assignment that I gave you on yesterday. I'm going to review conversions, fraction, decimal, percent conversions, so that we can order numbers. Today, we're going to practice putting numbers in order from least to greatest, greatest to least. And we have a guided practice sheet that we're going to do together and put in our interactive notebook. Any questions about what we're doing today? That's the primary focus. Let's look at the warm-up. I've already checked your homework. Okay, we've already written down what our homework is going to be. And then after I do the warm-up, we're going to label the homework again, okay? Make sure we got the right idea of what we're supposed to do tonight. Corey saved $15 every week for 6 months. So for 6 months, that is what he saved every single week. So how do we figure out how much money he's going to have after 6 months, at that 6th month? What do we do to figure out how much money he has in 6 months? If every single month he saved $15. How do we do that? Every single month now, $15. Yes. We multiply what? 15 times 6.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, babe.
A little longer. Mrs. Cone, I'm your assistant principal for 8th grade. I hope.
Let's do 15 times 6. So we got 15 times 6. What does that give you? 90. So it's $90 in 6 months, okay? Okay, they spent 60% of that. So you have to find 60% of the $90. Okay, how do you find 60% of $90? What do you have to do? What operation are we going to use? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Not quite. That's a good guess, though. She said division. Not quite. That's a very good guess. Not division. Multiplication. Somebody said multiplication. Now, if you say division, if you say percent proportion, that's division. You could use percent proportion. Come on in, baby.
How you doing?
Hi, I'm a pause.
How y'all doing?
Continue. All right. So here we're going to change this percent to a decimal. How do we go? Shh, somebody's talking when I'm talking. Please don't do that, okay? How do we go from a percent to a decimal?
You move it.
Move what? The decimal. How many times?
Twice.
Very good, Abby. 1, 2 times. Okay. So this is 0.60. Of is going to be multiplication 90. Let's type this in. 0.6 times 90. Type it in. Come on, Tamir. 0.6 times 90. Type that in, please. I don't have to put the 0. I could just put 0.6, or I could put 0.60. Okay. Type that in. Hold it up so I can make sure we got the correct answer. Hold it up so I can see it. Very good, baby. Very good in the back. Come on, Angel. Type it in, y'all. Type it in, Andre. Very good, sweetie. Very good. Very good. Press enter. What does that give us? $54. So 60% of 90 is $54. Okay, that's how much was spent. How do we figure out how much money is left? How do we figure out what's left? Yes.
You subtract 54 from 90.
Very good. So we're going to say 90 minus 54 in our calculator to figure out how much money was left. This is how much was spent. I should have put spent. That's with a T. So now let's subtract. What's $90 minus the $54? Very good. So how much money does Corey have left? $36. That's what's left. Any questions? I'm going to pause to give you a chance to write. Yes, baby? I can. Let's label our homework. Do not forget, it's not mandatory that you watch the video. However, if you don't watch the video, you're still responsible for the teacher model part. That's part of the homework. So Tuesday, mark Tuesday out and put, this is Wednesday's Okay? Some people already did that. And then the last page is Thursday. The whole page on the back is Thursday.
Whoa.
That is not a lot. No, it's not. All of this is Thursday. Okay? Shh. All right. Don't take 10 minutes to do that. All right. Now, where am I going to put this in my folder? Work to do. So look, I'm going to put, this is my work to do side of my folder. I'm going to take my packet and put it right there. Okay? Now I'm going to take out this here. All right. I have my colors. The colors I should have in my box. I should have my orange. Take out my orange. I should have my yellow. Taking out my yellow. I should have purple. Thank you. Blue. Thank you. And green. There are different colors of blue. So, and different colors of green. So you just choose the color blue you want and the color green you want. It doesn't matter which shade. It's in that first stack. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Y'all got it? All right. Okay, Miss Reyes, which color am I gonna use first? Let's first color all of the irrational numbers, real and irrational. Remember, there are 3 types of irrational numbers. Color pencil, it should be, oh, it's because, yeah, that's right. Because usually I don't sit anybody in that seat. There's an extra one right here. Okay. And I gotta get another box. All right, here we go. So let's do the irrational numbers. So those 3 types. It's the non-perfect roots. That means if I type in the square root, it has a decimal answer. Miss Reyes, how do you type in a square root? Put your calculator in front of you. You're going to press the second or the yellow button, and you're going to go down to where it says X squared and press that button. So it's yellow and X squared. This is how you type in a square root symbol. The yellow, orange looking button, I said yellow, it's orange. And X squared. That's how you type in the square root. So you got your laptop now, right, Tamir? Okay. So do you see the sheet, baby? Take this sheet out. Where's the sheet? This sheet. No, not the laptop. Take this sheet out. It should be in your folder, okay? All right, just take your time. Don't rush. Miss Reyes is not rushing you. Yeah, just give him another one. And look, these are the colors that we're going to use. We're going to use the orange. I'll stop this one to use my orange. We have the yellow. We're going to use the yellow. We're going to use the blue. What other color, y'all? Purple and green. Is that what we're doing? Blue. And blue. Thank you, Dan. And we're going to use this one as the purple. Okay? Let me sharpen this. All right, we got it? I forgot I made a box of here. I don't even have to buy extra boxes. I have one here for myself, but I forgot all about it. All right, so we're good? All right, so let's take our orange. We're going to color in all of the real, every number's a real number, so we're basically coloring in the irrational numbers. All right, so let's look for irrational numbers. Non-perfect roots. Where are your non-perfect roots? Let me move the cursor out the way. Which one of these are our non-perfect roots? Let's look at. Where are your yes.
11.
Square root of 11. That should be colored. Very good. Any more non-perfect roots?
5.
Do we have a square root of 5 somewhere? I don't see a square root of 5. What's the square root of 36? Type it in. Square root 36. Is that a decimal answer? What's the answer? It's 6. So that is rational, okay?
What about 9? Negative 9.
The square root, you got, where's 9? All right, so let's type in negative square root 9. Is that a decimal? Is your answer? Type it in. I'm not going to type it in for you. Come on. Abby, where is your calculator? I did too tell you get a calculator. Go get. Come on. Yes. Orange.
Okay, then I'll check it tomorrow.
Just remind me tomorrow. I want you to focus on what we're doing in class and make sure you do homework at home, okay, baby? All right, so type it in. The negative button. Good question, Abby. It's down here at the bottom. This is negative right here. And then press the second button and press the X squared. And press enter. Arturo, that gives you a -3. It's not a decimal, so that means it's good. Perfect. All right, so that one we're not going to color because it's rational. Give me another one you think might be irrational. Come on. Yes.
The one between -8.9 and
What's the number? By Colton. I didn't understand what you said. I'm sorry.
The -8.9 and
-8.9.
beside 8.9.
This one is a decimal, and it stops, so it's rational.
The one that's beside that one.
Pi is irrational. This is pi. Very good, sweetheart. What else is irrational? Come on. Irrational.
0.3333.
0.333333. Do I know what number is coming next? They should have put a bar over it. If they put a bar over it, then you're right. Then this would be rational. But I guess we really do know what number is coming next. The bar should have been over this because the next number is going to be 3. Okay, the next number is going to be 3. Like the next number here is going to be 1. There should have been a bar over those. So they are rational. Let's choose an irrational number.
0.125.
0.125. Does it stop? Does it have dots at the end? Does it stop? Do we know what number is coming next? I don't see that one. Where is that? No, I don't see that one. That's not one.
It's right there.
With the here?
Down.
Here?
Down.
Here?
Sideways. Sideways. Sideways.
Which
Wrong
side?
way. To the left.
I know. I was just like, what is she talking
To the
about?
left.
This one?
Yes.
It doesn't have, you see, it doesn't have the little dots on the end. So no, that one's rational. Very good. Somebody said -5 pi. It's irrational. What else? What about this one? The square root of 8. Is that a decimal? Type it in. -4 times 4 is 16. So it's not a perfect square. Type it in. Do you see how that's a decimal?
Yeah.
So since it has a decimal answer, here it's going to be orange. All right, I think we got all of them. If we don't, we can always go back to orange. Let's do yellow. These are just our real and rational numbers. That means these are our fractions and decimals. Real and rational numbers are going to be those fractions and decimals. Probably. These are your fractions and decimals. That's what we color in yellow. Real and rational. Okay, the decimals are kind of obvious. So this one right here is a decimal. This is yellow. It's real and rational. This is a fraction. Yellow. It's real and rational. Yes, baby?
The 2, 0, and 3, and
2.
2 and 3 over 8.
Yes, 2 and 3 over 8. Okay. What else?
Negative 8.7. 8.07.
Negative, yeah, very good. Negative 8.07. Very good.
Minus 0.111.
Negative 0.111, and it keeps going on, but we know what number's coming next. Yes, it's yellow.
And then the 0.333.
The one that we know, the number that's coming next, yes. Which,
0.0. Dang, is that one is on hand?
yes, that one is too, Abby. 0.125. Let's slow down just a little bit. Y'all did good. Okay. All right, what else?
0.0.
0.0 is just 0. Okay? It's equal to 0. So that's a whole number. All right? What else? Negative 3.5. Yes. Where is that negative 3.5 though?
It's right
Yep.
next to 8.
Thank you, baby. Good job, Ricardo. What else? 11 over 1 is really just equal to what? 11. So that's a whole number.
1 over 4.
What's 1? Oh, yeah, 1 over 4. Where's 1 over 4 at?
Right by 11.
Thank you.
This whole thing's going to be
What else?
24 over 2.
What's 24 divided by 2?
12.
So this one's actually negative 12. That's good observation, babe. That's going to be an integer. What else? 7 over 8. Good job. What else is real and rational? Fractions and decimals. Come on. Negative 8.9. Real. This is real and what else?
Negative 8.07.
Negative 8.07. Now I have to find it. Where is it? We already did that one. All right, so let's go to the next one.
Wait, is it negative 21.01?
Negative 21.0 is just equal to negative 21, right? That's an integer. All right, let's do purple.
Wait a minute, what about the 5.0?
5.0 is really just equal to what?
5.
5.
We had 12.
Is that
This one?
Yeah, we still
This
got
is
purple.
equal. This is equal to what? Negative 12. That's an integer.
we did that one purple? Right?
It is purple. Yeah. All right, so let's do purple. This is going to be real, rational, and integer. So we're looking for integers. Okay, we're looking for integers that are not whole numbers. Okay, so we're looking for those negative numbers that do not have decimals or fractions attached. Okay, so let's look at which ones are negative numbers that do not have fractions and decimals attached. Where are they at?
Negative 12.
Negative 12.
Negative 47.
Negative 47.
Negative 21.
Negative 21. Hold up. Are y'all coloring that fast?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Y'all faster than me. All right, you said negative 12, negative 47. What's the other one you said?
Negative 21.
Negative 21. I gotta find it.
I'm not gonna lie to her and say y'all coloring that fast. All of you are not coloring that.
Thank you, Miss Peoples. I knew it. I was like, no, they not.
And negative 4. No. Hold on.
If there's a negative 4, it would be. Is there a negative 4 somewhere?
No.
Okay.
Negative 9.
Where's negative
Square
9?
root of 9.
Oh, what's that equal to? What's the negative square root of 9? Type it in. What's that equal? It's a negative what? Type it in. Yep.
We're forgetting one.
Which one?
1.5.
Negative
1.5.
That one's negative 3, Arturo. Very good. And what did you say?
1.5.
Where's 1? What do you see 1.5 at?
Up.
Just the up and you went down.
Yeah, because I thought I looked at all of those. This is 5, 4, 0, 18. I don't see it.
5.5. You said 1 point.
You said 1.5, baby.
You said 1. Well, I'm at 5.
Okay, so we're looking for 5. 5 is a whole number. So we hadn't gotten that far yet. If it was -5, we color it. All right. What is 0 over 7 equal to?
0.
0. Okay, so that's a whole number.
24 over 6.
What's 24 over 6 equal to? Type it in. 24 divided 4. So that's a whole number too. Okay, we forgot this fraction. What color do we color this fraction?
Yellow.
We color it yellow. All right, so we got those. Any more purples? Negative?
Is it -3?
-3. Any more purples? Any more negative numbers? All right, what about this fraction? What color do we color the fraction?
Yellow.
Yellow. It's real and it's rational. What's the square root of 100 equal to?
10.
10. That's a whole number. And it's a natural number, right? It's a counting number. All right, we ready? All right, so now let's color the natural numbers because that's the easier one to look at. So all of the natural numbers are green. These are my counting numbers. Which numbers do I count? Can I count with? Do I start count 5?
4.
Wait. We got 5. 5 should be green. What else is a counting number?
4. 20 is 24.
What's
over
4? Oh, there we go. 4 is green. That's a counting number. What else is a counting number?
6.
18.
11 over 1.
11 over 1.
99.
99.
43.
43.
36 square root.
Square root of 36 is equal to what? It is a counting number. What is it equal to?
6.
6. 6 is a counting number.
Square root of 4.
What's square root of 4 equal to?
2.
2. It's a counting number. What else?
24 over 6.
24 over 6. Very good. That's 4.
Square root of 100.
Square root of 100. It's 10.
I think that's all.
Think that's all?
43.
We up 43. Did I color 43? I meant to.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the last one, 0, is a whole number, right? So what color are we going to color the whole number? Blue. So we got 0 is blue. What else is blue? 0. Is there another blue somewhere?
Well, there's 4 zeros.
0.0.
Yeah.
And then the normal 0.
And then the normal 0. And we're going to paste this in our notebook, okay?
What is 7 over 8?
What is it? 7 over 8 is yellow. We're going to paste this on page 10. Take your glue stick and put this down on page 10. Q1, page 10, coloring real numbers. Q1, page 10, coloring real numbers, okay? Coloring real numbers. Your calculator should be put back. Make sure you put your color pencils back in. Very good. Is that better, baby? Today I sent the sent the homework. Yesterday All right. Cell phone 3, cell phone 17, cell phone 14, cell phone 26 and 31. Please pick up those cell phones, please. Calculator 6 is missing. Calculator 9, can y'all turn those around, please? 9 and 10, turn around. Calculator 12 is missing. Calculator 12 is missing. Who has 12? Come on, baby. Oh, you got it? Okay. Who has 12? Colton has 12. Can you put Colton's stuff up? All right, y'all good? What's up, baby? Everybody got their stuff? Make sure you put your supplies back, okay? Everybody got their supplies put back? Tatiana, slide your desk up, baby. All right, when everyone's seated, then I'll start dismissing us, okay? Remember, we go a minute after the bell, okay? Thank you. All right, waiting for some people to have a seat. Thank you for putting the supplies back. You did a really good job of that today. Section 1, let's exit. Oh, you leave them in the center of the desk. Come on, section 1. Come on, guys, let's exit section 1. Section 2, let's go. Y'all have a good one. Have a good one, okay? Section 3, let's go. Have a good one. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day. You're good. Y'all be good today. Have a good day. Have a good day. Have a good day, babe. Have a good day. You got all your folders? Did you put everything back in the right folder? Have a good day. Have a good day. We're working on our warm up. I need you to put your cell phone in the thing. Put your cell phone in the cup. Put your cell phone up. Make sure you put your cell phone there. Pick up your calculator. Hey, babe. Hey, how are you? Put your cell phone in the caddy. How you doing? Cell phone in the caddy. Pick up calculator. How you doing? Put your cell phone in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. How you doing? How are you, friend? How you doing, babe? Good. How are you? Good. How you doing, sweetie? Put your cell phone in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. Put your cell phone in the caddy. How you doing, baby? How you doing, sweetheart? Put your cell phone in the caddy. Put your cell phone in the caddy, please. Pick up your calculator. We're doing problem number 2. Scratch out problem 1. We're doing problem number 2 in the warm-up. Hey, baby. Put your calculator in the caddy. Put your cell phone in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. Cell phone in the caddy. Cell phone in the caddy, please. Put your cell phones in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. Good morning. Hey, baby. Put your cell phone in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. We're working on problem number 2 in the warm-up. Scratch out problem 1. Hey, baby. How you doing? Put your calculator. Put your cell phone in the caddy. How you doing? Put your cell phone in the caddy. Pick up your calculator. Pick up your calculator, please. Have a seat, baby. Have a seat. Have a seat. Not you. Come on, sweetheart. Thank you. Thank you. All right, I'm checking the homework. We're working on our warm up. Which problem are we doing? Problem number 2. Please scratch out 1. We're doing 2, okay? All right, please sketch out the first problem. We're doing problem number 2 today. We're walking around to check your homework. Miss Farrell, can you take this to Samir? Let me. How you doing? Oh, I forgot. Don't forget tonight. Okay, did you? Don't forget, okay? Don't forget. Who's not so good? Stop saying that. That's annoying. You guys have bitch, you want a cookie? We gotta have higher expectations for ourselves. Even if you feel like that's what you are, you gotta stop saying this needs to be something good. What she said, because you can be exactly what you want to be. Okay, so stop saying I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm just saying. I don't want to hear that anymore. Yes, baby? I was just trying to pull on. Guys, we should be working on our warm-up. We're doing problem number 2. Good job, baby. Good job.
Yeah, we are.
You have to do it all. If you don't watch the video, you're responsible for the other part, okay? You're still responsible for completing it.
How many weeks are in a month?
12, month 3. 3. How many?
That's 20.
About like 3 weeks a month. Ask her. That's 12 in a year.
What you need, babe?
How many?
Did you
How many?
12 weeks in
School
1 year?
days? It's 100 days, school days.
3 months? Oh, I'm retarded as hell.
You still
How many days are in?
You don't have to.
How many weeks are in a year?
Yeah.
52.
52, so that's.
So how many weeks in a month?
4.
I said
Guys, work on your warm-up, please.
I did my homework for today and yesterday. Different. I always did my homework every hour.
There's not a percent sign here.
Percent?
Yeah, they used to do one on the
For now, yes, we're gonna continue. Later
Later
on,
Oh!
we'll change it up.
I did. Wait. Y'all,
The
was I supposed to do
expectation will
this?
change a little bit.
Oh yeah, I was supposed to do that. Was I supposed to do this?
Yes, go do it all. It's
I
Monday.
did
Do it all.
that.
Make sure you finish it. The first column says. Right, we
What
don't
do
have them
two
on those,
things mean?
on those.
What do 2 things mean?
Yes,
Two stems.
You gotta get first.
Yeah.
You gotta do the whole-
All right, here we go. Let's look at the warm up. Okay, it says that Corey